What kind of application updates can you make on your application? First, log into your application status portal and navigate down to the Updating Your Application section. You can provide a preferred name, send additional materials, self-report testing, update your senior year schedule through your portal, withdraw your application, or upload other materials, like a resume. Making a preferred name update. If you have a preferred name that you'd like us to use for application communications, including decision letters or communications sent to your parents, guardians, and counselors instead of your legal first name, you can complete a form updating us. Even if you provided a preferred name when you signed up for our mailing list or on your application, you should submit this form if you want us to use your preferred name throughout the admissions process. Providing additional materials. You can also provide additional materials like a resume or a schoolhouse.world certification. You can learn more about supplementary materials on our website, but note that they are not required or expected. You should only use this option if you think they provide valuable information that's not already part of your application. The portal should not be used to submit transcripts or recommendation letters. Your teacher, counselor, or recommender needs to submit those separately by emailing ugrad-confirm@columbia.edu if they weren't included with your application. If you upload these documents on the portal, they will not be considered official. And never submit financial aid documentation on your admissions portal. You should submit financial aid materials directly to Financial Aid and Educational Financing through their separate portal, and you can find more instructions on their website. Managing your standardized testing. You can manage your standardized testing through your portal as well. Remember that Columbia is test optional for the ACT and SAT, and applicants who do not submit testing are not at a disadvantage in the admissions process. We will also superscore across test dates and paper or digital administrations. When you fill out your Columbia-specific application questions, you'll be asked to confirm whether you would or would not like us to review ACT or SAT testing as part of your application. If you originally said no and change your mind, you can change your response through your portal. If you said yes, you can self-report your scores on the portal so you don't need to pay the testing agency for an official score report at this stage in the process. Columbia only requires an official score report from enrolling students. And note that once you've said yes and submitted test scores, you can't change to a no or withdraw your scores. Learn more about our testing policy on our website. Making a change to your application. If you need to update your application, like you want to update the email you provided for your parent or you would like to change the majors that you listed, you can fill out a brief form with your request. This is different from adding additional materials or information. This option is for if you want to change something that you already submitted. Updating your high school schedule. You can also let us know if your high school schedule has changed since you applied. Note that you're expected to keep us informed of all course changes during your senior year. Withdrawing your application from consideration. Finally, there's an option to withdraw your application from consideration. If you fill out this form, like if you're admitted to another school under a binding decision plan, we will no longer consider your application and you will not receive any further updates or a decision from Columbia. Need to update your portal login? Use the links provided under Account Tools. Note that if you update the email used to log into your portal, we'll use that same email to send you email updates going forward. For questions about your portal account, contact ugrad-confirm@columbia.edu.